I decided to test out the Blackmagic PYXIS 6K and also the Blackmagic PYXIS 12K. I own the 6K, but my friend Darren Scott, who's an amazing cinematographer here in Jamaica, owns the 12K. So I'm like, let's link up. Let's do a test. So yeah, it was a pretty cool test. So here are some of the key differences between the Blackmagic PYXIS 6K and also the Blackmagic PYXIS 12K. Here are some quick differences between the PYXIS 12K and the PYXIS 6K. For the 6K, you have a 13 sub dynamic range, and for the 12K, you have 16 sub dynamic range. 12K readout speed faster, and the 6K, is a bit slower. For the 12K, high options 12K, 8K, and 4K. For the 6K, solid but lower at the native 6K. For low light slash ISO, 6K dual native ISO, better flexibility. 12K optimized around ISO 800. Yes, obviously 12K is going to be way more like heavy on storage. 6K easier workflow, smaller file size. When I just got my PYXIS 6K, there wasn't much accessories for it, but now there's so much accessories for it. And I must say, like, my friend's camera rig is pretty cool. Like, pretty cool. One of the massive difference for me when it comes down to both cameras is like both cameras use BPU batteries, and shooting the BPU battery in the 12K versus using the BPU battery in the 6K, massive difference when it comes down to like battery life. Because 12K, that 12K, that does eat up battery life. Yeah, so that, and I must say, like, I don't regret my purchase because like I rather to know that I have a camera and I can just utilize it at the max quality whenever I want to versus with the 12K. That's not always the case. So after looking at both footage, both of them look good. I mean, the 12K looks really good, like really good. Color grading them, yeah, you can get the same type of look and everything. He was using a Morphage poker on his lens for the adapter, to get the PL, because both camera L mount, and there's a few little tweaks when it comes down to using one of those adapters, but outside of that, like, the quality looks really good. And so here's my 2 cents when it comes down to both cameras. I mean, if you have the money to buy the 12K, I mean, buy it, sure, why not? If you're okay with the 6K quality and the rolling shutter and stuff like that, I mean, to be honest, for me, it's not that serious. And my friend Darren actually made a statement, and it actually makes sense. So we're going to close this video with what he said. And I'll see you guys in another video.
It a tape? um, I'm Darren Scott. I'm a director of photography, colorist in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. How long I've been doing this? Uh, over 10 years. I'm not sure exactly the number, but yeah, I've been doing it for over 10 years. What Blackmagic cameras I own now is this PYXIS 12K, a Pocket 6K, and a Ursa Mini G2. Why I got the 12K, the PYXIS 12K over the 6K is the dynamic range, crazy dynamic range. The sensor has better color science. The ability to shoot 12K, 4K, 8K, full frame, no crop or anything. I love that. And then there's 9K, Super 35. I don't plan to, so this is in theory, but I'm hoping to stick to it. This will be my, I won't say my last camera, but a good while. I don't think I'll be buying another camera for a good while. This does everything.
Good, what, like 2 years, 1 year?
Like generally speaking, I kind of tired of gear. Like as weird as that might sound, like gear just consume the whole away, and we just keep on acquiring things, and so I think this can give me everything that I need. That resolution, frame rates, I can do up to what? I think 90 frames, I think, in 8K. So, and that's, me good with that. I'm good at 90 frames. In 12K it does 72 frames. So that's alright too. What else? The color science is very ARRI-like, so I'm good at that. The resolution is there, as I said before. So I don't think I need anything else. I can build it out into a big rig when I need to. So when I'm doing shoots, like my commercial shoots or narrative shoots, then it will be like a big rig. For now, and when I just want to run around and run and gun, this is very nice. Nice and small. So you can build it out or you can keep it small. So yeah, I don't think I need anything else for years to come. So right now, because the camera is so new, it's still going through growing pains. This is just Blackmagic. Usually it's with every camera, but I think Blackmagic is affected by new releases more. So a couple things could be improved in the firmware. They've started to do it already, so I'll update this already to deal with some of the problems. But generally speaking, apart from the little quirks, I don't think updated. Like I don't think it can be updated. Not that it can be updated, but I don't think I need anything else really. Maybe low light. Low light not so great on it. So you want to expose to the right, as them say, with this camera. So maybe that's the only thing I don't want, like a better low light camera. That's the only thing.
This is a low light beast.
What that?
FX3.
Yeah, FX3. Yeah, so if I was to say, yo, Blackmagic, what I go on my youth, like, it would be like dual ISO, like proper dual ISO. Because them say, this have dual ISO? I'm not sure. The Pocket 6K has dual ISO, but it's not like a Sony.
Yeah, because it have 800 and 12,600.
And 12,600 clean?
Yeah.
Damn, yeah. So, but, and then how is the color affected by that?
I mean, it all depends on if you know the camera.
Okay.
So if you know the camera, you're good.
So with the good low light cameras that I've experienced, the color kind of gets skewed.
Yeah, it kind of shifts.
Oh, just a little bit. Okay.
Understand.
Hopefully.
Because you know you can't put the same lookup table and the 12,600.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'd say I'd want a better low light shooting camera, but all in all, I'm good. I don't need nothing for all the camera them today good, like all of them. So just choose one that fits your shooting style and roll with it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you